To make honey date vinegar, add 2 cups or 500 milliliters of filtered water to a sterilized 1-liter mason jar with 50 grams of liquid honey and 250 grams of organic pitted dates. Give the jar a stir and cover the top with a coffee filter to keep the bugs out, but still allows the natural yeast in the air to start the fermentation. Then allow the ferment to continue at room temperature. You need to stir the mixture every day to inhibit unwanted mold growth on the surface, and after a few days you should see a noticeable effervescence as you stir, which will continue for at least a week. The effervescence will begin to subside shortly after that, signaling the fermentation is slowing down and the alcohol is ready to be turned into vinegar. After 2 weeks, a white film will have collected on the surface, which means the alcohol is feeding acetobacter, which turns the mixture into vinegar, and a good time to strain out the decomposing fruit fiber. The vinegar is nearly finished when its astringent flavor develops. Then use a litmus paper test or a pH meter to make sure the vinegar has a pH in the vinegar range of below 3, and continue to stir every day until the vinegar is shelf stable. This batch took a little over a month and gave a yield of 125 milliliters or half a cup. Stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, honey date vinegar will last a very long time because it is difficult for most harmful pathogens to grow in strong acidic conditions.